Introducing Templok energy-saving ceilings from Armstrong. Reduce environmental impact. Decrease energy usage. Comply with energy regulations. And solve temperature complaints from occupants. Specify Templok energy-saving ceiling tiles in your next project. Templok lessens the load on HVAC equipment, allowing you to reduce energy use and environmental impact. Think of Templok like an ice pack integrated into your ceiling that's tuned to room temperature. It changes phase at 72 rather than 32 degrees like the ice pack. This means as interior temperatures rise, Templok begins to melt and absorb heat. When the temperature in the building dips below 72 degrees, Templok releases heat and resolidifies. Templok is lightweight thermal mass, storing and releasing heat to help regulate indoor temperatures. Offered in the same Armstrong ceiling solutions you know and trust, Templok has the same visuals and acoustics that set the industry standard and can deliver energy savings of up to 15%. Templok energy-saving ceilings, only from Armstrong.